It is frustrating to lose a Clipchamp video, especially when you slaved away creating a tutorial video. In this video, we will explore several solutions to recover a Clipchamp video that is deleted or missing. Method 1. Restore from recycle bin. If you have exported the Clipchamp video to your computer and moved it to your recycle bin on PC, as long as you didn't empty the bin, the video is recoverable. Open recycle bin. Select the deleted Clipchamp video and right-click Restore. If you have exported the Clipchamp video to OneDrive and deleted the file, you should go to OneDrive, check Recycle bin, then select the files and restore. They will be back in My Files. Method 2. Recover from temporary folder. Clipchamp will store all the media files in a temporary folder on your PC, to make sure the program runs smoothly. Then we can check in the folder, and restore your videos. Method 3. Recover via backup. In the case that you've exported the video, and backed up the files via file history, to an external hard drive, then the recovery can be done much conveniently. And here are the steps. Method 4. Restore with content backup. In the case that you have a premium account, you can use the content backup feature to access all the media files and download the video to your device again. Method 5. Use system data recovery. Assuming you've exported a Clipchamp video to a local folder on your computer, then you mistakenly deleted this Clipchamp video, or just found it missing for unknown reasons. As long as you once saved the videos to your local drive, you will be able to restore with a third-party software like Cisdem. System data recovery is a high-rating program to restore files from various internal and external hard drives. This tool has a user-friendly interface and supports 1,000+ types of file recovery. Even with its compelling toolset, users can scan drive fast, locate files quickly, repair damaged videos, preview files, virtually anything you can or you cannot find in its competitors. Launch System Data Recovery on your PC. Select the drive that you once stored the Clipchamp video. Then click Search for lost data. The scanning will start, and all the recoverable files will be displayed by path or by type. You can browse each type to check all the files. You can wait until the scanning finishes, or check the files during scanning. Go to Videos, MP4 folder. Then find the Clipchamp videos you've deleted from your computer. Here are mine. Also, you can enter keywords to search the videos quickly. Click on the play button to preview the videos. Then select the videos and click Recover. If your video cannot be previewed, it is damaged. System will auto-repair it when previewing the file. System also supports other formats of videos, including MOV, M4V, MKV and so on. You are always recommended to use this tool to recover your data, if you want a higher recovery rate. Thanks for watching.